rocket while I pour the vinegar in?
Yeah.
And then I will grab it for you. All right, let's get ready for launch.
Are we off?
You're on.
Hey guys, today we are going to be launching a rocket into outer space up there. So welcome to our science lab. And also, what you're gonna do to make it is you're gonna get your straws, put them together, get your hot glue. So we're using the straws as the legs. Hot glue them together. So next you're going to take the spray paint and spray paint it. This in your bottle all white. So we're going to take it to our workers and paint each shot to paint it all white. And then you're going to use these paint colors to paint something on it with your paint brushes. You can use any color, but our rocket is going to be black and white because we want it to look like the rocket that went to the moon. You know? And after it's all dry, you're going to take your hot glue and glue the straw legs onto the base here, like one here, one here, and one here. End up like this then. So we're going to go check if our first rocket is done. It's done, and also make sure you glue these on the bottom, the legs on the bottom, with a hole down here, like the opening, so that it will launch the stuff out when it's ready and go. And we even glued a paper cone to the top, so it's more aerodynamic. And our rocket fuel for this experiment is vinegar and baking soda. And make sure you do it with adult supervision because it's a powerful burst. So let's get this baby ready for launch. We're going to be using a cork to put in the bottom here, so it'll build up energy here and go and it'll launch. But if your cork is too loose to fit in there, just wrap tape around it.
Here comes our great astronaut now, making his way to the launch pad.
So we are ready for launch, and my dad is doing this part for safety reasons.
Do you want to hold the rocket for me while I pour the vinegar in?
Yeah.
Okay, and then I will grab it for you. All right. Okay, you ready? Okay, I'm good now, I think.
Quick, I hear it coming up.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6. Gauge thrusters. 3, 2, 1. Blast off.
That startled me. It launched over there. The wind blew it off course.
Okay, get on the camera.
The launch was a success, but the rocket ship re-entered Earth's atmosphere, but it took minimal damage. Okay, the legs are missing and the cone is bent. And with some light repairs, we'll be ready for another launch soon.
Astronaut Drew, are you okay?
Yeah. I landed on a strange planet.
Do you see anything?
What the heck?
What are those?